Welcome to Soft Review. In this video, we are going to take a look at how we can customize our 3D characters. And if you are not familiar with this software, this is called Create Studio, and this software is available on a lifetime deal. As you can see, I am on the standard plan, means without paying any monthly fees, I can use it forever. And even I can export videos in 4K quality and in unlimited numbers. So if you look at some of the competitors like Animaker, you can see they also lets you create 2D and 3D animation videos. But if you go to their pricing, you can see that it's $15 per month, and you will only able to export videos in HD quality. And this is like full HD, means 1080, and this is for 2K quality, and that too where you have to pay like $43 per month. And yeah, when you subscribe annually, otherwise it's like $79 per month. In this software you get 4K quality export, and yeah, you can do like unlimited export, so no restrictions on that. And you can create a lot of videos. As you can see, there are a lot of templates for many different styles of video, and I am not paying any monthly fees to use this. So now let's look at how we can actually create our 3D characters and customize it the way that we want. So just click on that create from scratch button. It will take you to this screen. There are two different options here. One is a 3D character. As you can see, these are all different templates that's made for you, that's ready to use. These templates, we cannot customize the look, but we can always customize the actions that they can do. And look at the quality, it's really great, right? So the quality is also in Pixar Studio level kind of quality. And the best part is they also have another characters called 3D characters. This character can be completely customized. Whatever in this crown is only accessible through their all access plan, which is like a monthly payment. But we actually don't have to worry about that, because we have a lot of characters that we can customize to our needs in the free plan as well, in the lifetime deal. So all these characters can be customized, and yeah, to our needs. And we can even add branding. Let me take this guy. So just if you have not already downloaded it, you can see a download button right here. Just need to click on download, and once the download is complete, you can just drag and drop it to your canvas here like that. And yeah, I have now added the character here. Now I can, if I just click on the character, as you can see, like lot of customization options here, and you can even rotate the character just like that. So you have complete control of movement and the motion of the character. If you want, you can also just add like a background. For example, I can say like Jim, right? So let's put him here in front of a gym, and here he's in front of the gym right now. What I can do right now is customize his dress. If I want, I can make him like wear a suit just like that. I can make him wear like a t-shirt. Now yeah, I can change his bottom, make him wear like a pants, and give like a haircut like this or like this. Now I can change his shoes if I want, make him wear this sneakers, and I can change the color of his skin. Maybe I can change it to this color. So as you can see, I can make his hair black. There are full customization options, right? If I want, I can even change the shoes color. Maybe I can change it to red. The primary color can be like something else. Then I can keep it white. So as you can see, we have a lot of customization options. Even the eyebrows can be changed. If I want, I can give him some glass. Yeah, can make him like wear like the sunglass. And the best part is that I can even make him like a mustache. Yeah, this should work fine. I can also give him like a hat. I'll have him this hat. And also you can also add like a logo of your company or brand. So I'll show you how you can add logo to your character. In order to add logo to the character, you need to look for the logo placeholders in the character. As you can see, this can add a logo, or we can add a logo to this character, since as you can see there is like a placeholder, and since it's all access plan, we will check other characters that's free. And yeah, that's how you look for characters that can have your brand logo. And yeah, let me just see, this character can have a logo since there is like a placeholder there. And if you scroll down, this character can also have a logo. I think this is much better because the visibility is much better with this character. So I'll just drop it here in the canvas. And now as you can see, we have the placeholder for logo sample. So what we can do is now just click on the logo here and just click on logo. And if you have not already uploaded it, just import. I already have my logo here, so I'm just clicking on it, and as you can see, it's instantly got replaced with my actual logo. That's how you add logo to your character. So you can highly customize your character even with your branding if you can add logos as well. And I can add different actions, like if I want him to flex muscles, I can do that. Then if I want him to like add another action here, make him do some push-ups. As you can see, we can make him do anything with these actions. I hope you now got the idea of how to customize your character using Create Studio. And once you are happy, you can just save him as like preset, and that saved preset will be like available here, so you don't have to actually go through setting him up again. And that's how you do it. If you like to check the software out, I'll have the link in the description. I have more detailed tutorial and entire playlist for the specific software. If you like to check that, I will have it in the end cards. And I hope you learned something new. If you did, please don't forget to share and subscribe for more future videos. Again, thank you for watching and have a great day.